Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have got multiple unpackagings to get through. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 11 here as well. Now, I don't know exactly what is in every package. Some of them might not be precious metal related, but it's got to a stage now where I've got so many parcels, I just decided to set up the video and try and get through as many of them as I can. So let's get straight into it. Now, there's a right mixture here. I believe there's some Pokemon cards that I picked up over Christmas. There's some precious metals that I picked up before Christmas and during Christmas. And yeah, just bits and pieces in between. So let's get straight into it and see what we have inside here. I haven't had a chance to cover up all of my address details on these either, so I'm going to be very careful on opening these so I don't have to do too much editing and blurring out after. But let's get straight into it and have a look what is in the first package. Now this looks like a graded Pokemon card. We actually now have a room within Stacker Social. It was highly requested, and originally we had kind of a sub room for Pokemon discussions, but now it actually has its own room within Stacker Social, just because more and more people are looking at Pokemon cards as a way of parking their money and as an investment vehicle. So yeah, there's a lot of activity in Stacker Social discussing Pokemon cards, not just graded ones, but Pokemon cards in general. And you can see here we have a Gem Mint 10 from PSA, and this is a 2020 Pikachu from Pokemon Swish, is it? Really, really nice. I picked up this purely because of the artwork and because I like collecting anything that is Pikachu related. And just a really cool one to add to the stack. Now, it was actually due to the Stacker Social discussions of Pokemon that made me decide to go out and pick up a couple more graded Pokemon cards. My brother has recently got into invested in Pokemon cards as well, and it made me think, do you know what, I'm going to grab a couple more to add to my collection, because more and more people are looking at Pokemon cards as an investment, and that only means one thing: that Pokemon cards over time are going to go up in value as more and more collectors and investors start taking them a little bit more seriously. But let's have a look. So the next package here, I'm actually going to leave this one packaged up. Now this was something that someone found and they posted it within Stacker Social. It was a deal that the Royal Mail were actually doing on their website, and it was a proof Wallace and Gromit coin, a 1 ounce proof coin. And it was reduced from £100 down to £50. Now, by the time this actually turned up, it was actually under spot that this came in for. Now, I believe current spot price today, I will put it on the screen now, I think it's £55 an ounce. So before I've actually even opened this, this is actually under spot. So a really, really good find, and I would highly recommend anyone that's in Stacker Social to keep an eye on the deal of the day room, because that is where people post their findings, and a number of people are grabbing some really, really good finds. But I'm going to leave that sealed because I might actually resell that. I grabbed 2 and Coin Noob won one of them during a giveaway on the Stack Chat. I've sent his one out already. Now this next one, I've got a pretty good idea what's in here because I recognise the return address on the other side. Yes, and this is my signed pouring guide from Silverpunk. Now this is actually available as an ebook. If you head into Stacker Social, you will actually be able to pick this up. I believe he's got a 20% code or a 10% code in there to pick this up, and it's available as an ebook. But he got a few of them made into physical copies. He signed them, and it was kind of like a first come first serve basis on these, and I managed to grab one. So thank you very much, Silverpunk, for sending that across. I won't show every page, otherwise people will just screenshot that and not go out and pick up this guide. But really, really helpful guide. If you're looking to get into pouring silver, then this is a guide that will definitely help you along the way. Some of this stuff in the backdrop of today's video is from Silverpunk himself, and you can see that his work is absolutely incredible. These are the Stackers Social character bars. We're slowly working through every single member of Stackers Social so they get their own silver bar. I will leave a link to these where you can pick these up in today's video description. We've got some stunning bits in the back here from Silverpunk. He also poured this buffalo, bison, hairy cow, whatever you want to call it. Absolute chunk, over 10 ounces of silver. And then there's another piece here. This is Mrs. 365 when the postman knocks on the door with another heavy parcel. What have you been buying now? Really cool. All hallmarked, Silverpunk's work is. So yeah, absolutely stunning. But yeah, that is his pouring guide. So I'll put that to one side. Now, those of you that have been following my journey along on YouTube, you probably heard me say last year that in 2026, I'm going to be having a whole year away from YouTube. Now, that is still true. I am still going to have a long break away from YouTube. I'm going to be making content for my 365 paid club members. So there will still be content going up on this channel, but it will only be for paid members of the channel. And that is because I want to thank everyone that's continued to support me by being in the 365 club. And that is why I'm going to be doing content over there. I'm going to be doing some lives just for members only as well. But I am actually mainly going to be spending my time over on TikTok in 2026. These are really, really cool. These are actually key rings made from miniature Pokemon cards. I will show them in more detail in a future video. Found them on eBay. They're more of a backdrop piece. So that's really cool. But yeah, I am going to be spending most of 2026 over on TikTok to try and grow my subscriber base over there. But I am going to continue posting on this channel, on YouTube, just for the rest of January, because I've still got quite a few things that I need to get through. I've still got quite a few parcels I need to unpackage, as you can see. I don't think I'm going to get through them all in today's video. I don't want this video to be too long. So yeah, that's what I've decided to do. I've decided to continue posting content on my YouTube channel for the rest of January. And then after January, that will be when I stop posting on this channel for a whole year. Well, I say a whole year, 11 months. Now, I don't know where this has come from. I don't know who has sent this. What is this? Welcome to Sound Money. Here's your first piece free, provided by the DeFiTheGrid.com. The gold back was provided by DeFi the Grid, family-owned Silver Gold online shop. Now, I don't know. I don't know how this person has got my details. Did it go to my PO box? Yeah, it went to my PO box. So that's how they got my address details from my video descriptions. But yeah, I'm not too sure. I haven't really looked into this company. I wasn't expecting this. So I will have to go and have a little look and see if this website looks legit. But that's a nice surprise. A free piece of gold, eh? That could be the title of today's video. A free piece of gold. Very, very cool indeed. So let's pop that to one side. What a nice surprise that was. Very unexpected. Let's move on to the next piece. So yeah, as I was just saying, I am still going to be posting content here on YouTube for one more month only. And then I will be just posting content to 365 Club members. If you want to join the 365 Club, you can click on the join link below. But if you want to continue watching my content for free, then just download the TikTok app if you haven't got it already. Find me on TikTok and you'll be able to follow my journey over on TikTok and you'll be able to see what I'm getting up to over there. Now this was picked up, I think this was picked up from Tech the Coin Hunter, I believe. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment section if I've got that wrong. But I believe this was from Tech the Coin Hunter. And this is the full collection of the Zombucks. I do already have most of these already. But I thought, do you know what? I'm going to have another batch. So I have some duplicates. So in the future, it's a little bit easier to part with them if I want to free up some cash, because I already have some of them in my collection already. Next, and I think this might be the last one, because let's try and do a few more. Let's try and do a couple more. I'm really just rattling through here today to try and catch up. I was going to save all of these for individual videos, but yeah, I'm rattling through. Now, this was from Tech. This was definitely from Tech. This is one of the latest Zombucks ones. So I can't remember exactly who I picked up those from. It might have been Numis Stacker, maybe. Can't remember. But yeah, this is from Tech the Coin Hunter. This is the Zombucks. That might be the latest one in the series. Really, really cool. These aren't necessarily a great investment. They're more of a collector piece. A very, very small amount of silver is in each one of these. But this is for the collector side of me, and to continue collecting this as a collection, because I really, really do like them. I think they're a really cool design. Right, this feels like another slabbed Pokemon card. And like I said, I have picked up a couple of slabbed Pokemon cards after watching everyone talk about Pokemon in Stacker Social. It relighted that spark within me to go out and grab a couple more. So this is Gem Mint 10 from PSA, and this is Ash's Pikachu Promo I Choose You collection. Really, really cool. And again, mainly got this because it's Pikachu, and it's one that I haven't yet got in my collection. So I will have to do another video, actually, an updated video of my Pokemon cards for those of you that are interested. Now, we're going to make this the final package of today, and that is because this video is already over 10 minutes long, and I don't want it to go any longer because it's just going to be a bit of a nightmare to edit and upload if it goes over 10 minutes. But this is from Big STE. This is a member of Stacker Social. Now, for those of you that are not already in Stacker Social, there will be a link in today's video description. It's a free to join Discord group. We've got a marketplace on there. We've recently had a tidy up of all the rooms, so it's not so overwhelming now. I think we had nearly 20 rooms at one stage, and now we've got it down to 12 or 13 categories instead of 20 odd. So yeah, it looks a lot cleaner within Stacker Social. It took a couple of days to sort it all out, but very happy with how it's looking. Cool, this has been packed extremely well. This is a great touch. It actually included some capsules as well, which he didn't have on the listing, so that's a really, really nice touch. So thank you, my friend, for including the capsules. And these are Dragon Bars from the Perth Mint 2022. Again, I've got a lot of these already, so these are going to be duplicates. I'm putting some in my box, and the other ones will go in the deep storage. 2021, I'm not going to get them out now. This is one of the earlier ones, 2019. This series started in 2018, so this is the second one that was released. Absolutely stunning series. And then I have a fourth one here, which is, what's the year on this one? 2024. So one of the newer ones. King Charles on the back there. So there we go. I think we're going to leave it at that, because I don't just want to rush through everything like I've done in today's video. It would be nice to at least get maybe 2 videos, maybe 3 out of all of the unboxings that I've got to do. But let me know what you think in today's comment section. Let me know what your favourite part of today's video was. What bit stood out to you. For those of you that haven't been in Stacker Social, you might have not seen this, but I've recently released a coin box. It holds 32 silver coins, all in premium quality capsules, the ones that are really nice, airtight, and protect your silver correctly. Not a cheap plasticky feel to it, a really nice sturdy capsule. And yeah, I've actually filled this box up now to the brim with 32 1-ounce silver coins. It's almost a bit like a mini monster box. So yeah, these are also available in the description of today's video. I teamed up with someone in the community to produce these boxes, and they are selling really, really well. I think we've sold 15 to 20 so far, and it's only been 2 days since we actually officially launched. But yeah, there we go. That is today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.